Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can remove Powered by Shopify in your footer. Alright, so this one. So we got copyright 2020, Andreas tutorials, and we got this text Powered by Shopify. So this is the one we want to remove. So just go to your Shopify backend, go to the left sidebar, click on Online Store, go to Themes. Alright, so under Current Theme, we're gonna go and click on this one, Actions. And when you are editing in the code, it might be good to duplicate your website just in case something happens. That way you can recover it from the copy. So we're gonna click on Duplicate. So now we can see that we are copying this store. Okay, so now we have the copy. Now go to Actions, click on Edit Code. So now go to this sidebar, go down to Sections, click on that, and locate this one, footer.liquid. Click on that. Okay, so now we're gonna search for this Powered by Shopify. So on Mac, you can do Command F to get this search bar. I think it's Control F on PC. After that, just search for Powered, like that, and we will get these options. As you can see, I got 3 options. That's because it will check if you are on mobile or on desktop. So we need to go to this one, Powered by Link. And what we want to do is we want to highlight this code inside the curly braces and delete it, like so. Do the same thing on all 3. Otherwise, you're gonna see this text on mobile devices and things like that. So we're gonna remove all 3. And the last one, like so. Now go up to this one and click on Save. So asset saved. Alright, so now we can go back to the store, update store. Now we can see that the Powered by Shopify link is gone. Also, if we check this in mobile view, I'm just gonna go, this is in Chrome, so I'm gonna go to Inspect. I'm gonna go to this one, and now we can see this in mobile view. We're gonna go down, and it's also gone right here. Okay everyone, so this is how you can remove Powered by Shopify from your footer, both in desktop and mobile view. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give a thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.